Now today we are going to discuss a topic of condensation and precipitation. But before that, first of all, we need to know a basic difference between evaporation, condensation and precipitation in geographical terms. Okay, so when the liquid form of water from any sea surface or from any water body got converted into a water vapor, that is a gaseous form, we are calling it a evaporation. And when these water vapor again converted into small water droplets, we are calling it a condensation. Okay, now these water droplets when fall down to the surface of earth, we are calling it a precipitation. Okay, so this is the basic difference between these three terms. Now let us suppose that this is a sea surface, and because of the heating from a sun, the water content is converted into a water vapor, and in this process latent heat is absorbed. Now if you will ask me that what is the latent heat, so it is a form of energy which is sometimes absorbed or released by a substances when they undergo a change in their state. So here this liquid form of water is converted into a gaseous form. Okay, so here latent heat is absorbed. Now you know that the water vapor is very light in weight, so it will go up, and because of the expansion of the air or because of the adiabatic cooling, the temperature got decreased, and also the capacity to hold the water vapor decreases. Now because of this, air got saturated and relative humidity will become 100%, and at a dew point, condensation process begins. Now this condensation process requires some surface to convert a water vapor into a water droplets. So the surface is provided by dust particles or some aerosols which are suspended in the troposphere. Okay, so we can say that these water droplets are settled around a dust particles. Okay, so this is what we are calling a cloud. Okay, so let us draw it. This is a cloud. Okay, but they will, they are floating in the air and they will never fall down. Why? Because of the continuous ascendance of air from the surface of earth. Okay, so the question is that how does it rain? So see, there are millions of dust particles or some millions of cloud particles. So because of the collision between these cloud particles, they get clingy with each other, यानी आपस में ये एक दूसरे से जुड़ने लगते हैं. ठीक है, so the size of the dust particles got increased, and now gravity will work and the water droplets will fall down to the surface of earth. So this is a process of a precipitation. Now that is why we are calling it a rainfall. Okay, so this is all about this topic, condensation and precipitation. I hope you like my session. Thank you very much.